ready for the fall. And then guys, ito yung cup. O diba? O diba? Ready na sila yung studio. It's fall time. So, ang fall nila guys, magpo-close ng 7 o'clock. So, dahil mainit ngayon, kaya plan namin pupunta ni Kitty Pie doon ng 6 o'clock. Yes, mayroon kami isang oras. Check! So, yung slipper ko, palitan ko pa pala. It's not ready. Check guys. It's fall. So, ito yung main pool nila guys. Mayroon silang adult pool. So, yung daw sa likod sa kanila. So, ngayon, tulog si Kitty Pie ako nung isa. So guys, this is their swimming pool area. So tatlo ang swimming pool nila guys. Mayroon din silang adults pool nandun daw sa likod. So ito ang main pool. So mayroon din silang kids pool. Yes. So ito guys, hindi ako maliligo. Ano lang, video, picture, money, TikTok. O diba? Kasi masisira yung buhok ko. So mamayang gabi pa to si Kitty Pie gustong pupunta sa adult pool. Gusto daw niya doon kasi wala nga kids. Adult nga eh. So, see you there guys. Hello guys! Look at the sunset! Diba? Tea time! Ang ganda ng sunset. O diba, ang ganda na dito tambay sa terrace. Namin sa bahay. Yung isa guys. Marami ang aming pwede dyan guys. Balik ang 1,000 na lang. In the night guys. Our view in the night. Grabe ang ganda ng lights. It's a great view. The Casco. See, shout out sa Burj Khalifa. Ang ganda. Oh, see? See, this is the light of our room. Easy din yung isa sa kaka-video. Then, ito this video. Gagala kami ni Kitty Pie. Mag-dinner kami sa labas kasi malamig na. Kasi bukas guys, it's our dinner cruise. So hindi na kami dito makalibot sa gabi. Kasi 2 hours din yun. So babalik kami maybe by 11 p.m. like that. So of course, hindi na kami maka-enjoy sa labas. So ngayon we decided to go outside and to explore. Of course, ang ganda ng weather. Buti pa yung isa nakatulog. Ako wala talaga akong tulog guys, as in. So guys, pupunta kami doon sa Italian restaurant. Actually, the adult pool, the Kitty Pie telling that they have the band. I don't know where he get that news. So actually, all is closed at 7 o'clock. So we can do shisha or anything. Unlike the Shangri-La Hotel Kitty Pie, right? So we will go there. But Kitty Pie, it's so early to eat the dinner. It's closed. Why? How you can go? They're not allowed to go there. This is the Vanitas. Vanitas, this is a restaurant also. No, Vanitas. See, this is the dinner. What's this here? other, yeah, this is the restaurant. But no one was so the Italian one is you need to go there inside. So they have so much restaurant place actually. Our view in the night. That is the marina part. Kitty Pie, they are not allowed. It's okay? See guys, this is our location for tonight. Ang ganda ng mga yachts. Where's the other swimming pool, Mr. Allen? You know, she's fake news actually. Every time he gave me fake news. Yeah, I know 3 pools, but I don't know if here the one. You know better than me. But you don't know anything actually. So dinner for tonight. They're here in Turkish restaurant, guys. Where's our fresh watermelon? So we are waiting our kebab. Too much sweet. Is this fresh one? Wow, it's yummy, yummy. Oh my God, yeah, it's big serve actually. Yeah, it's yummy. Pagkakatilaw, yummy. Let's try this. Much nice their food sa. Grabe ang sarap. First time ko nag-order this na kebab na mayroong rice. Ang sarap din ng rice. Yes, mayroon na siyang parang mayroon na siya doon. Timplado na ba kumbaga? Yes. Actually guys, plan namin kumain ni Kitty Pie actually sa hotel kasi may 50% kami. Kaso pagpasok namin doon, parang hindi ako makahinga. As in, close na close siya. Yes, tapos mga iba-ibang tao, basta hindi ko siya feel. Kaya naisipan namin umalis na lang at lumabas at doon kami kumain. Sulit pa yung pagkain namin doon. Kasi pag sa tingin ko, parang hindi masarap yung foods doon eh. I'm not sure ha, but based on review, masarap naman kasi it's a signature of Italian. It's in Italian food. Kaso nga lang, masyado siyang close. At yung parang ang gusto ko kasi yung parang open, yung makikita ko yung surroundings, parang gusto ko makahinga kasi sa bahay, palagi na lang kami nasa loob ng bahay, tapos yun din ang mapuntahan namin, di ba? So yun, umalis na lang kami dito, matulog, hindi, manood pa siya ng I wish I had a studio like this in Philippines, in India, in Sri Lanka. Kitty Pie, right? It's too much huge, guys. As in, ganda niya. Ang tsaka ang laki ng terrace. Good morning, everyone. So for today's video, guys, is our second day here in the Palazzo Versace Hotel in Dubai. Yes. So, location, views. Kanina nandun ako, guys, nagtambay at doon ako nag-live sa Facebook around 7:45 p.m. Medyo caring pa yung init. Yes. So for today's video, guys, magbe-breakfast kami ni Kitty Pie. Yes. And then, in the afternoon, of course, mag-stay kami dito kasi mainit. But actually, darating yung mga friends ko mag-visit kasi may dinner cruise kami mamayang gabi. Yes. So, yeah. Let's see kung ano pa ang mga ganap namin ni Kitty Pie for today's video. So, see you there in the breakfast. Sana masarap yung breakfast nila, guys. Actually, talagang masama yung pakiramdam ko sa aking tiyan. Kasi dahil siguro ko kahapon sa KFC. Yeah. O baka nanipasan lang talaga ako ng gutom. Yes. Kaya ang sakit talaga ng tiyan ko. So, see you there in the breakfast. This is the breakfast. Hi, good morning. Yes. there in the window. Just wait for a minute, okay? See, this is the breakfast. Yes. This is the fresh apple. Ay, watermelon pala. Green apple juice. Orange juice, pineapple. Wow, you see? Japanese design. This is the rice cookie. I hope that if I have idili. Steam rice. Oh my god, it's looking yummy. Black pepper beef. Oh my god, this is my favorite. Ah, this is the line. Ay, the parata. Hi. This is their sweet. Oh my god. Where's Kitty Pie? Kitty Pie, where's our... There? Did you put anything? Ay, okay, okay. They have there the parata. Yeah, wait. Para palagi siyang mainit. Diba? Very high technology. Diba? So, I make you the egg. Ito yung breakfast namin, guys. So, Americano. Swerte si Kitty Pie may idili. Success. Katay yung Kitty Pie. Mapurga gini siya sa egg. Guys, look at the breakfast. You like the breakfast, Kitty Pie? Too much nice, right? Especially the beef. No? Actually, guys, their food is nice. They have Indian, the favorite of Kitty Pie is there. Yes. Chinese? So this is the adult food, guys. Sorry? So we finished breakfast, guys. Nawala na yung lipstick ko. So this is the adult food. Yan. Diba? So yung adult food nandito lang pala sa breakfast section. Kasi kahapon hindi ko ito napasyalan. Oh my God. So nice. Wow, DJ is starting na the DJ. Yo, we stay here with you maybe tomorrow. Hala, but this is... What's this now? I can't... We see baby. Swimming pool, guys. I'm just thinking if I go in the inside the pool or not. Because my hair. Maybe I will go here. You know? Tomorrow morning we will go early. 7 o'clock they will open, right? Yeah. Grabe ang init pa. Ano na? 5:30 sa hapon. Grabe pa din ang init. Actually, mag-swimming kami sa pool ng 1 hour. Kasi mag-close yung swimming pool, guys. What do you mean by this? 7 o'clock. And you know the bad thing is, alam nilang summer na summer dito. Mag-ano sila? Mag-open ng swimming pool sa morning. It's 10 o'clock. Diba? Grabe. Kung kailan mainit na mainit talaga. Ang magang na first sassy. See my visitors for today. Happy birthday, Binika! Happy birthday, Binika! Nagpa-isa din tong mahiyain. Parang si Kitty Pie. It's him, Kitty Pie. You look like me, right? Ay, di ba? Oh, di ba si Carly seryoso dito? Hello, guys! It's time for our dinner toast. It's time to fly. Hala, fly ko lang. Uy, di ba mahangin na? It's windy. It's already windy. 2 hours, guys. We're going to the Philippines. See you, Philippines. Hello. Hello, guys. So this is our dinner cruise here in Crete, Dubai. So 2 hours kami, guys, with buffet, dinner buffet. Mactan Bridge. Baka makahanap ka doon ng ano, Mactan. Wow! Guys, more than 1 hour na kami nagka-travel and we finish our dinner. So we are here, guys. We're reached na after 2 hours. Cutie Pipe.